We are pleased to show you the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.